But that's where I am. And Yandilla Farm is here. So it's a place called Kilcoy, which is here, I think. And it's 85 kilometres. So we're going to go out to there, stay for 2 nights, and see what it's like. Now, it's got hot and cold showers, and it's got flush toilets, which is a real bonus. So, anyway guys, I'll see yous on the road. Okay. So we're trying to find Yandilla Farm. Which is a cattle station, or as you people in America would call it, a ranch. So this area out here, this is all beef country. Okay, so all out through all this area is are all cattle stations. Well, 16 kilometres. So this cattle station where we're staying is, I think it joins on to a national park, the Balfour Forest. So up in this country, this is where the legendary Australian Yowie hangs out. Yeah, be careful of those guys. There's some bushfires up there in the hills. I don't know if you can see that. Now's the time of the year when forestry departments actually do burn-offs. Clears the forest of all the dead shit on the ground, so that during the hot summer months bushfires are less likely to happen. Some of the fires. Fuck me. Where you going? Oh well, he seems like a really nice guy. Should be a few people down here. He's got cattle and sheep. Oh yeah, turn right, he said. I just got to find myself a fire pit. Ooh. This here looks like my spot. Yeah, very peaceful. Okay, here's my campsite. This is the campground. It's quite breezy down here at the moment, so over there's the shower and toilets. Go over and have a look. Yeah. Cleaning up for a campsite. A wash basin. And shower. This looks okay. As a whole, this is not a bad camping ground at all. $20 a night it cost me. Just flush toilets and hot and cold showers. All the mountain ridges over there, that's the Belthorpe Forest. So this is the creek. It's a bit dry at the moment. Very peaceful out here. There we are, we got the campfire going, and tonight we're going to have a go at using a camp oven and cooking a roast pork with roast vegetables. So what I'm doing is getting a bit of coals happening. So this is going to take probably 1 or 2 hours to get a good supply of coals needed for the camp oven. And yeah, and then it's gonna happen. This is my camp oven. It's a 4.5 quart camp oven. This will be the first time this is being used, and so yeah, this is going to either turn out to be a really good success or a major catastrophe. I've never cooked with a camp oven before, but we're going to give this a go. Okay, so what we're going to do is put the camp oven near the fire to start heating it up. Just like a normal oven, you got to heat your oven up before you put your roast in there. So we're going to heat it up. That's better. We're starting to get a good bed of coals happening. So we'll start to get the roast all ready to put in. So we're going to get our veggies ready. A bit of pumpkin. sweet potato. Of course, an onion. You can't have a roast without an onion. Okay, and we're going to tip some vegetable oil in here. I'll be honest, this isn't my idea. Saw this off a guy on YouTube, thought it was a great idea, so I'm going to pinch it. Should be cooking oil now. Going to get the roast out now. It's only a little roast though. I'm going to add some soy sauce into this. Here that's cooking. Put the lid back on. I'm going to move this back over to the fire. Coals out of the fire. Camp oven straight on top. And we're going to leave that for probably for nearly 45 minutes. I can hear it cooking in there already. Yeah, half hour to 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and have a look at what it's looking like. Okay guys, I can just hear that roast cooking in the camp oven. Right around that mountain edge there's a shower. It's all raining all the way around, but so far right where I am it's not. It's going to only just feel a little bit of a mist of rain, that's it. Meanwhile, the camp oven continues. Okay, it's been half an hour. We're going to have a look what it's like. That is looking good. All right. Alright, we're going to leave that for another half an hour and then we'll probably put the vegetables on. Alright guys, the roast is coming along really good. We're going to get back into the vegetables and just going to put a bit more oil in here. Guy I watched a video channel I'm a subscriber to, actually. I think his name's Tim Bates, Australian, and he was the one that showed me about putting your vegetables in a bag like this, freezer bag. So I give him credit for this. Yeah, so you get various herbs or whatever. These are actually steak seasoning, actually. Tip that all in. I'm also going to put in some, I've got no idea how this is going to turn out. This is all a bit of an experiment. Some soya sauce. Put that in there. And then you just sort of one escape and mix it all around. Okay, it's been practically an hour. That is looking good. So now we're going to put in the vegetables. Alright, time to check it, see how they're going. I have a couple of blocks of timber to put the lid on. You don't want it sitting in the dirt. Oh, oh, that looking good. Carrot's still got a bit of a way to go. sweet potatoes still got a bit. Another half an hour, I would say. Oh yeah. This is the way to spend the weekend, I reckon. Got the campfire. Extremely peaceful out here. Cooking a roast. You know, this is living. The old bush TV, that's what they call the campfire, bush TV. It's getting ready, it'll be dark soon, so getting ready for the night. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. That's ready. Veggies are ready. The meat's ready. It is ready. Sure if you can see just how the mist is just hanging just below the top of the trees. We're going to go for a little lap around the camp area.
He's a nice farmer, this guy, old fella. Okay, so remember guys, when you come to a farm, anywhere in the outback, you come up to a gate. If it's shut, you leave it shut. If it's open, you leave it open. That's the way it works out here.